Namaste. In the previous episode, we covered 81 to 90 shlokas. Let us proceed to 91 to 100 shlokas in this episode. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Tattvasana Tattvamahi Panchakoshantarasthita Nissima Mahima Nitya Yauvana Madashalini Madagurnitaraktakshi Madapatalagandabuhu Chandanadravadiggdhangi Champeya Kusuma Priya Kushala Komalakara Kurukulla Kuleshwari Kulakundhalaya Kaulamarga Tatpara Sevita Kumaragananathamba Tushtir Prushtir Madidrutihi Shanti Swastimati Kantir Nandini Vignanashini Tejovati Trinayana Lolakshi Kamarupini Malini Hamsini Mata Malaya Chalavasini Sumukhi Nalini Subhru Shobhana Suranayika Kalakanthi Kantimati Shobhini Sukshmarupini Vajreshwari Vamadevi Vayovastha Vivarjita Siddheshwari Siddhavidya Siddhamata Yashaswini Vishuddha Chakra Nilaya Arakta Varna Trilochana Khadvangadi Praharana Vadanaika Samanvita Payasana Priya Twaksta Pashuloka Bhayankari Amrutadi Mahashakti Samruta Dhakineshwari Anahatabjanilaya Shama Bhavadanadvaya Dramshrojvalakshamalādhidara Rudira Samstita Harihi Om